Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel. My name is Vipanchi. Today I am going to teach you about the structure of tooth. Let's start. First, this is our enamel. Means this part of the enamel is known as our crown. The white portion of our lid of our tooth is known as enamel, and it is also known as the crown. And these are the blood vessels, and these are gums, and these are pulp. Pulp is a small and so soft muscle that is inside and near to our blood vessels, and they are located in the neck part. And this is the part where it is there, and it is known as the root. The root contains the dentine. The dentine is a yellow color portion. Okay, and where we eat, some of the food gets stuck, which can cause to cavity. Cavity is a hole that is inside our mouth when some germs eat that our teeth. It eats our enamel, and it also makes a small black color hole known as cavity. The cavity can make so much pain that it could also go to the dentine and the pulp, and it will make us a lot of pain. Thank you. Download for more videos, subscribe and link the comment button. Thank you.